In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Google Sheets using the round function. Rounding is a simple way to make your data easier to read and present, especially when you're working with prices, percentages, or long decimals. Instead of changing how the number merely looks, the round function actually changes the value in the cell, which is helpful when you need consistent results in calculations and reports. Start by opening Google Sheets on your desktop and clicking the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. This is important. You'll be entering a formula that outputs the rounded number in this selected cell. Type it around to begin the function. You can type directly into the cell or use the formula bar at the top. As you start typing, Sheets may suggest the function. That's normal and can help you confirm you're using the right one. Next, tell the function what to round. You can type a number directly, like 3.14159, or, more commonly, click a cell that contains the number you want to round. For example, if your value is in A2, you'd reference A2 here. After that value, add a comma to separate the next part of the function. Now specify how many decimal places you want. This is a whole number. If you want 2 decimal places, type 2. If you want no decimals and a clean whole number, type 0. For a quick example, Ixot round 3.14159, 2 will give you 3.14, and S round A2, 0, will round whatever is in A2 to the nearest whole number. Finish by closing the parentheses and pressing Enter. Your cell will immediately display the rounded value based on the decimal places you chose. At this point, your number is rounded to the exact level you specified. If you used a cell reference, that rounded result will automatically update whenever the original value changes, which is great for live dashboards or evolving datasets. If you ever see the formula instead of the result, make sure the cell isn't formatted as plain text, and remove any leading apostrophes. A quick tip. Rounding with a formula is different from simply formatting a number to show fewer decimals. Formatting only changes what you see. Round changes the value used in further calculations. So if accuracy in downstream formulas matters, round is the way to go. That's it. Without round value decimals, you can clean up your numbers and make your sheets easier to read and share.